maybe 2.
I don't know. And when the games are on Saturday at 4 o'clock, we have to be there for 1:30.
Sorry, hold on. The guy's always talking
That's the one that...
Holy moly. Oh, they don't even have their lights on. Yeah, their lights. They got no lights on. No lights on or nothing. I don't know what they're doing there either. Let's try to do something else. Oh, they are going to be almost at a crash course right there. I got it on dash cam too, so. Oh, I know. Oh!
There it is.
Holy cow! Call 911. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Damn, get all that. Yeah. We got your license plate.
You on the wrong
You're
side
going the
of the
wrong
road.
way. Oh, he hit somebody.
I don't like how he's wrong and still like
And
in
still-
control.
Yeah, he shouldn't
Like,
have went right. He shouldn't have
This
went
is
right.
a one-way.
like, what's his plan though?
Worst driver.
Look, they got the police coming.
Is he in there?
Right place at the right time. Nah, it's the wrong way, bro. It's the wrong way.
That way.
No, because all them coming this way. I'm trying to tell him. I'm trying to tell him.
Look at that.
We were on our way to work, and this crazy semi-driver kept being in the middle of the road, almost hitting people. He wouldn't let anybody pass. We ended up having to call the police. They sent a couple cars out, but he wouldn't stop. We were literally on I-20 just following him. Well, we were on our way somewhere, but he just wouldn't stop. By the time we ended up getting off on our exit, there was 3 police cars behind him. He would still not stop. He was still in the middle of the road.
that? I don't know, these guys are just throwing water bottles out their car.
Existing other callers. Please stay on the line and the next available operator will assist. What are you reporting?
Yes, I am on Highway 4 westbound. There's a vehicle with kids in it throwing water bottles at vehicles on the freeway. It's a black Saturn Aura, A-U-R-A. They threw it at my car, and now they're throwing them at other cars as they're passing. It's just repeat Bailey, if that helps. I don't remember which one we just passed.
You still see him?
Yes, they're in front of me, but I don't want to get close enough to read their license plate, or they're gonna probably hit me again with another bottle.
No problem. Your first and last.
Just throwing bottles at random cars. Jeez.